your girl. My name is Neriah for those who are new here. And before we continue, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, period. Okay? Hey y'all, so y'all can tell by the title, we are doing another wig review, and today's wig review is a collaboration with Beauty Forever Hair. So I want to give them a huge thank you for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over a 22-inch I called it like a golden brown curly unit. This is a 13x4 lace, so it does go ear to ear, but the parting space is not that long, but I think it's something you can work with for sure. I love this hair. This is definitely what I would call like a Beyonce wig, and I think everybody should have one in their collection, okay? Even if you don't wear this type of hair, this is something to have just in your collection for those times where you want to be extra and things like that. So I love this unit. As always, y'all already know the drill. We're going to go ahead and go through the process of installing this wig, and if you are interested, just keep on watching. I also ask that you check out the description box below so you can get all the details on this unit, the link to the hair, girl, everything you need. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See y'all later.
Think about you every day, just like the diamond you shine. Too many girls in other states, I would've told you anyway. I guess you had it. I called you 4 times, I guess you mad or what? Me being me, I guess I'm outspoken. Leave all these girls around my house, heartbroken. plug in, yeah, so woo on me. Detrimental, me and Glock all on your instrumental. I kill a nigga and it really one coincidental. Stop all that faggot shit, you just be on that acting shit. No, I ain't with no cat shit, and I ain't on no rap shit. No looking bitch, you know it ain't no looking bitch. I check in the plug, nigga like, hey man, what's cracking, bitch? I'm 2 floors up on you, nigga. I'm 2 floors up on you, nigga. Yeah, what all do you want from me? ARs and them 223, fucking around with me. You see, I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, but that does not mean shit to me. Got 2 on me, got 2 on me. Plug in, yeah,
black glow. I like black. Never play, he get white like you tryna find his face. Ain't no trace, ain't coming back. G9, make the 2 blocks, jib all the map. A map for your face, low, rearrange your couch. 1 foot in the industry, 1 foot in the top. Buy that dope to my bloodline, I treat him like my strap. Cut by me, he'll take the nigga feed off the mouth. Hit V till I'm shit, push a P, he get caught. 2 guns, that's a twin glocks. I roger that, heart colder than a bitch, cause the bitch froze at that. Like apostrophe, good people gotta come in the back. Say I'm with 250K, we could better train on that, nigga.
What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223, fucking around with me. You see, I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, but that does not mean shit to me. Got 2 on me, got 2 on me. Plug in.